ham bone. Woo. We're at summer racing, all right? We're at summer racing.
Yes, sir.
You ready? You ready to be in summer racing for the first time?
Oh, I'm ready to be inside.
Inside summit racing, okay. All right, let's go. Let's see this. Oh, what you think? What you see this? Whoa.
I thought that was a real guy for a second there. He said they're giving me a look.
How you doing there, bud? Can you help us find the Mustang wheels?
Hello.
Oh,
Please.
like a super.
Oh.
This is carburetor shit. Julius likes.
Oh,
Fucking nerd.
Here you go, Jojo. Here you go, Joe ass. You want that?
I'm gonna record one for him now.
Somebody's stealing.
Right here, boy. Right here on Summit Racing, boy. Just come on down and get it, boy.
Oh, hold on. They might have his Cobra Jet in here. I think this is Cobra Jet. No.
Oh, it's 5.0.
Oh, it's a 5.0. It's a 5.5.
5.5.
I thought they used to have a Cobra Jet here.
Oh, we got Corsa.
Oh. Yeah. Well, you skipped the whole spot, but yeah, no, that's okay.
Oh, I did? Well, that's good.
Yeah, right here. You missed kind of like unimportant, like just oil pans and shit. It doesn't really, you know. Oh yeah, here's their valve cover splash. See flowmasters.
Flowmaster.
Flowmaster. Oh, that's right. You have flowmaster. Huh? Well, wait. Hold on. He's gonna have flowmaster. Okay.
Yeah.
This is like this.
Oh, wheels.
We're gonna put one of these on a Mustang. No. Now. Oh, here's the brake kit, Sam. Here's what your look at those, but they used to have prices on them like in here, but now they don't. It's kind of sad. Willwood, that's like, I don't know. Some people say it's a step below. Some people say it's a step up from Brembo, but I think it's a step below Brembo.
Brembo.
Brembo
brake.
Brembo brake kit.
Brembo brake pad.
Oh, see, so we don't want that S pipe.
That's an X pipe.
That's S pipe, yeah. I know it looks like a fucking bear pelt or something, but
What, tan leather?
oh shit. Nitrous on the shelf. What you think? What you think?
Give me a couple bottles of spray.
You know what? Make it the big ones.
Make it the big
And
ones.
ham. I need them by night.
I need it by tonight.
Clutch. This is my area of expertise. Oh yeah, look at that. I need one of those. Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, manual. Hold on, let me see what your oh no, they don't have any automatics in here because they're gay. That's a cam. Here's your car lesson, okay? That's a cam, okay?
Cam, okay.
That's a cam, okay?
Cam.
It's an intake, okay?
Intake,
I
okay.
think it's a fucking intake. I don't really know. I don't know about V8s. This is your head. This is your cylinder.
Oh, dude, I'd be so much happier if this whole thing like spun. I could just sit here and that's my ADHD talking now.
Sitting over here fucking around with it all day.
Yeah, just
Oh, here's your intake, bud.
Oh,
Yeah, that's where and then you got the intake, and then your carburetor goes onto the intake.
but I don't got one of these.
Yeah, no, you don't got one of these, but
Blip, blip, blip.
actually, you might be able to open it. Look at it. See the sprayers open?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Check out.
Wow.
Bro, how do these display like little vents have fucking dents in them and shit? How do they have dings in them?
People come over here and be like,
Fucking poking at
Just
them
like
and
that,
shit.
Hams. See how you did that? Just
I didn't
like
bend it. I
Yeah,
didn't
but
bend
these
one.
are like all your oil coolers and shit. So this is what you want to run when you get that supercharger.
The-
I honestly probably need to run one when I go upgrade it on my on the Honda. Oh, so here, hold on. Here's OTS. It's off the shelf, all right. We got all the cobs, okay. We don't want cob though, okay. Oh, I wonder if they have fucking K-tune in here. Then I don't know if something. Oh, here's SCT. So here's all your Mustang shit right here.
Ford. Okay. Not legal for sale for use in California. Man, fuck California, bro.
Oh, and then you even got the touchscreen live wire.
California fucking nerds.
And then here's another SCT. I think that's the one Brandon's running.
Bandon.
Brandon. The confusion is real.
Landon.
Okay, so it's good to know that they don't care anything for Hondas because, you know, Apparently Honda sucks dick or something.
Yo, imagine actually being named Brandon. Couldn't be me.
Couldn't be who?
Couldn't be me.
Are you sure about that?
No.
No. I don't know what any of this is. I don't know what I think this is all truck shit again. Like, it'd be nice. The fuck was that?
Yeah. No. Yeah, I was smelling, see if it had stuff on it. So.
What, V8?
Yeah, V8 stuff.
Smelling that 5.0. 5.5. Smelling a 5.5. Yeah, so this is like...
SCT.
Yeah, that's gonna be your Mustang stuff. So here, look. Even says it right there. 501 5EP Ford. So I don't know if we'll Ford though. We're going ahead and so hang on. Alright, so never mind the Mustang being dirty. Alright. But we got shifted performance, they got the tips on them, looking good, sounding good, shifted performance. Now woo! Alright, we gotta get this. That sounds good. That's nice. And we gotta get out. Hammy boy, get that thing a rev. Get that thing a rev. Give her a little rev button. Oh, close the door all the way inside and let me know if it's loud inside. Oh, okay. Is it loud inside?
It's noticeable.
It's noticeable.
I don't think it's like obnoxiously loud, but
no.
I can definitely.
Dude, it sounds good. Hammy boy doing that. Look at him. She's like a little girl in there. Look at her. It sounds really good. It sounds super good. That sounds so nice. I'm gonna have him do one coming back so that way he can have a little more room to brake. Oh, my bad for the camera. Yeah, that sounds super nice. That sounds good. It's not like too freaking, it's not like too nutty. It still has resonators on it, so there's no rasp in it. Like, oh my gosh, if I could explain how that sounds, like, videos are not going to do this justice. It sounds so good. Yeah, I like that. You got, all right, this is like the first real cold start with Hamilton. So yeah, let's hold on, wait, let me go to the back. No, let's go right here. Okay, go ahead. What do you think, Cam?
Neighbor Waker 9000.
Neighbor Waker 9000.